Well, good morning. Welcome to the court, and we present you our project STEM called Criminal Walk. The team is composed by Roberto Campo,
Víctor Mario.
Ana Martinez, and well, we start with the problem. Every year, millions of cubic meters of wastewater, municipal, industrial, and agricultural, discharge, spreading inequally or without any treatment, are dumped into bodies of water. And according to San Bernard, approximately the 90% of wastewater is dumped into lakes, rivers, and oceans without any adequate treatment. And well, it's alarming percentage because well, this problem affects the environment, the health and well-being, and the economy. And well, the SDGs that we choose for this project is the number 3, 6, and 9. So number 3 is good health and well-being. This is because well, our project is not directly related with the health area, but well, we choose because the exist communities that depend on the water that lies rivers and some similar well water in the bottom. And well, in which in these bodies of water, the wastewater is dumped, and well, this causes really serious problems in the health of this person. For example, in 2015, 754 people died in Mexico for intestinal infections for the consumption of contaminated water. Then the next is the number 6, water sanitation. This because well, like I said before, our very consists in the sanitation of the wastewater, and well, according to San Bernard, well, we know that exists plants of wastewater treatment, but according to San Bernard, the majority of these plants operate below of this capacity. And according to INEGI, well, according to INEGI, in Mexico exists approximately 6,000 of plants of wastewater, but only 40% is operate with a good way. And finally, the number 9, industry innovation and infrastructure. This is because our project consists in a model that have an innovative structure for solve this problem that we
Justification, well, who said my classmate, well, basically, some million of cubic meters of water was dumped in rivers on some lakes over lakes, seas on and another zones, and we basically this is. Let's connect with no, Mr. Goal. No, our goal is basically create a model that treats wastewater, reducing the impact on water pollution, and also, with treat allow it this water will be reused. Now, our proposal is basically a model that consists of a barrel like with different light, which will be placed in the seal. The first line being where solid waste will remain and diverse will be made up so that each type of waste will be directly to a plant, especially in dealing with the waste.
The methodology. Our model is designed to carry out the partial filtration and decontamination. It's divided into 4 sections with a cylinder and the sewers in which different process will be out. And the section 1, this section, the only will happen is about the filtration of the water and the both human and the plastic waste and any other waste. And the section 2, here the water will pass to the cylinder, container with it will left to the rest. And some bacteria begin to purify the water. And the section 3, they will use a natural coagulant to be able to generate a homogeneous substance, which will get with filtration. And section 4, the last. And here finally, will control dose of the chlorine will we kill the remaining the bacteria.
Well, it's related with subject chemistry because it involves a chemical process. And in this process, we use coagulants, which are chemical materials that are used to water. And then in the water, apply the discharge of colloidal particles, resulting in the formation of larger media, which settle more quickly. Coagulants for water treatment consist of possibly charged molecules that, when added to water and injected, neutralize the charge present. Organic coagulants are generally used when necessary to reduce sludge generation. In addition, the combination of organic and inorganic chemicals is generally more effective than using inorganic or inorganic chemicals alone. Also, the coagulants have some benefits like a wide variation autoimmune range, compatible for reduced uses, ordaining storage, etc. Minimizes sludge volumes, reduce overall treatment costs, consider fluctuation structure for improved cell rates, plug structure, and that facilitates easier and less expensive sludge dewatering, and reduce water turbulence, and reduce solids and filter flooding, and also increase filter life and reduce total solution metal quality.
Relation with function we consider our project is relax some mathematical methods obtain results como the has variable we will use different formulas as volume formulas and amount of total dissolved solid in water. Also mathematical operation to create approximately to give allow a development or model on a smaller scale. In an relax in the subject big design the prototype because in the following different components in the development which participate in the monument format. And then we are going to say result. Unfortunately, our project did not meet our expectation of the operation, but because it was major scale prototype and the material. With a variable, we want to not declare correct ones, and we believe the project can be development in its discovery of a large scalar size. The component will be large, which will allow it correct to implement. In addition, in the card I5 molecule design of Google Land with the sign to use science but available cost, everything to calculate compare. Effectiveness of the solid. It's been mentioned before our project in archive is running operation, but we consider that if with their current or one large scalar and with the current material. Include very different measuring because we can implement within the CY system, it will save work and allow amounts of the water to be trying, which will help reduce the percentage of the timing water dump into the environment.
I think that our project is applicable to in a real context. Well, it could be applicable in a real context. It would be more convenient and economical because the things that determine the cost of the development of plants, like the location, the capacity of storage, and another thing, our project is part of the process. The benefits of application is project, we think that the percentage of water treatment, and the second benefit is within the other class because the communities that drink water of the lakes or river, some of the people is some people have infection of infection of the water. And we know that this water swing is not for the consumer human, but this will decrease the percentage of the infection.
The improvement of the project. The improvement of the project, we consider the improve the time of the efficiency of the project, and also could be more like less cost and sorry, while you're left. And this project will learn different things, mainly about how the treatment of the water. And we consider is important because in my street have a lot problems about the waste of the water. And so I consider this project could be implemented to my street. And also we use the compare our project too. In addition, thanks to the research, we learned to what percentage of the wastewater really affects the aquifers and how this brings consequence of the house. And finally, we learn about natural and organic coagulants and how they should be applied correctly to be used in wastewater and the treated. Difficulties of the project. The difficulties of the project be the time of to do the prototype because the short time to do the project could be a lot of stress for the team, and so this is a difficult. Hoping that the result would change in some cases, but this did not happen due to lack of time. This aspect could not be improved.
Well, we made a mistake in the classification. Well, I don't know what happened, but the introduction was the same of the classification, but well, in a short way, in the classification, we talk about that in 2021, the percentage of wastewater that we the treatment is only the 10%, and in the 2080, only the 40% percentage of wastewater are reused, and we explain how this affects the environment and the people in general, and well, which how we want to change this problem. Very important mistake, well, is all, and thanks for your attention.
Thank you.